All right, so we are asked to simplify. We have this nice, ugly, complex fraction here. So remember, we need a whole fraction on the numerator and a whole fraction in the denominator, which in this case we do have. That's one fraction, that's one fraction. So the hard part is really done for us. Now we just need to divide, do the keep, change, flip. So we have n squared. Actually, let's factor while we are doing the keep, change, flip. So two numbers that multiply to 14 but add to -9, you're going to get -7 and -2. 4n plus 28 you can factor out of 4, and you are left with n plus 7. So we keep the first fraction, change to multiplication, and then the denominator, nothing needs to factor, so we just flip it. Okay, so now it's a multiplication. Now we can see what cancels. So n plus 7 and n minus 7. So our final answer is n minus 2 over 4. Okay, and that cannot be simplified anymore.